guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jordan, and it would mean the absolute world to me if you stuck around and subscribed to my channel and joined the fam. Today I'm showing you guys my winter favorites for 2018. These are things that I've just been using a ton this winter season and that I've been absolutely loving. And I figured that this would be helpful to you guys, so I hope it is. And really quick before we get into it, make sure to follow all my social media. I have them linked down below. I also literally have no set order for this. It's kind of random and all over the place, so bear with me. Leave me any questions for a question and answer video, and without further ado, let's just hop right into it. The first thing on my winter favorites list is, of course, a heated blanket. So this is just the one that I have. I'm not sure where it's from, but Ryan got it for me a few Christmases ago, and honestly, this is a lifesaver during the winter time. There's nothing better than like bundling up in a heated blanket in your bed. And if you don't have a heated blanket, I highly recommend investing in one because they're really not that expensive and you will definitely get a lot of use out of it if you are from somewhere that has really cold winters like where I live. This has been especially helpful the past couple weeks because it's literally been negative 20 degrees with the wind chill. Next thing on my winter favorites list is, of course, this chunky blanket scarf. So this one is just maroon, navy, and white, and I've been loving this so much. I've been wearing this almost every single day. It keeps me so bundled up and warm. I can't even begin to tell you. I got this one from Forever 21 for literally like $5. I've been wearing this one specifically a ton because I have a navy winter coat, so it matches perfectly. My next winter favorite is actually a candle, and this is the Cinnamon Caramel Swirl candle from Bath & Body Works. It is so cute to look at and it smells amazing. Like, it smells like Christmas and cookies and all things delicious. This is not the first one that I've purchased. This is like the second or third one in this scent because it's just so good. And Bath & Body Works always has some kind of sale going on, especially with the 3-wick candles, so you can find this for pretty cheap. I bought this one for $8 instead of $24.50, which is like, you can't go wrong with that sale. My next winter favorite I wanted to include in this just because it's so cute, and it is just this pink marble mug. I got this from Target for literally $4, which is such a good deal for a mug. This is definitely my favorite mug I own, and they also had it in other colors as well. So if you guys are a Target freak like me, go pick yourself up one of these. And mugs are just like a must, especially during the winter when you want to drink hot chocolate and coffee. I always just drink it out of this mug. My next favorite is just a wristlet, so it just looks like this. It's black with gold like snakeskin prints on it. I just think it's so classy and just really beautiful. I actually got this as a gift from Jessica. What's so great about this is that it actually charges your phone if you plug it into it. And I just think that's like the coolest thing. Technology is like evolving and I just love it. So it's really great for like when you're like out on the town, or if you're just going out to dinner, you don't want to carry like a full-size purse. This is a perfect size because you can fit everything you need in here, and you don't even need to bring a charger because you can just plug your phone into this. And finally, moving on to beauty and skincare products. The first favorite I'm showing you guys is a face mask. This one is just the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask in the blue one. I have been loving this for winter so much because I have really sensitive skin and it gets super dry during the winter time, and this just keeps it really hydrated and smooth. This is actually made for sensitive skin, so it's super gentle, and I have nothing but good things to say about this. Definitely recommend this because this is a drugstore product and it's only like $8 or $9. In order to do a face mask, you have to have all your makeup off and have a clean face. So what I've been loving to take my makeup off and wash my face with is the Eliza 3-in-1 Natural Cleanser. It comes in this cute little compact like this. When you open it, there's a mirror and there's these little pads in here. You just take them out, you put them in your palm, you run it under the water, and you rub your hands together and just scrub all over your face. It's super gentle on the skin and it removes all your makeup so easily, and also cleans your face as well. What I love about this so much is that instead of having to use a makeup wipe first to remove all your makeup and then washing your face, you're getting 2 jobs done in one with this product. I absolutely love it. I was lucky enough to get sent this product by Eliza Naturals, and I just want to say thank you so much for sending me this. I'm so happy that I enjoy this product. And of course, I wouldn't be giving you guys a dishonest review if I didn't like the product, but I really truly do enjoy this product and I highly recommend it. I will have the website in the description box if you guys want to check it out and maybe buy one for yourself. This next winter favorite I know I mentioned in like a ton of videos and I'm always wearing it, but I just love it so much. So it's just the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Lipstick. This one is in the color Video Vixen, and I love this product so much because it comes out super consistent on the lips. It stays on all day. You can eat and drink with it on, and it does not dry your lips, which is so important to me, especially during the winter time because I get really chapped lips. But this does not dry out your lips, and I just love it. This next product I have been loving this winter season. It's just the Naked 2 palette from Urban Decay. I have all the Naked palettes, but I have been especially loving this one for winter. This palette just offers a great range of shades, so you can give yourself a really like sultry, smoky look for winter, or you can give yourself more of a natural eye look. This palette specifically has great color pigmentation, and the colors are super blendable, which is really great. It just glides on your eye like a dream. It's definitely worth the price. I know it's a little bit more expensive, but you can do a lot with this palette. My last product of this video is another Bath & Body Works product, but this is just the Almond and Vanilla Natural Olive Oil Body Cream. Like I've said about 1,000 times in this video, I have sensitive skin. Lotions with fragrances in them tend to really irritate my skin, give me like a rash or a burn. So this one is really great because it doesn't do that and it still has that amazing smell to it. It's super thick and it's really, really hydrating on the skin. I love to just use this all over my body after I get out of the shower. And there you have it, guys. Those are my winter favorites for 2018. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe down below if you aren't already. And we are almost to 1,500, which is so crazy to me. I can't even believe how fast my channel is growing, and I cannot thank you guys enough for the support and the love, and I just really appreciate you guys. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.